Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Pad 3 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find wallpapers and style. Then let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. Here we've got pre-installed wallpapers, and at the top we've got the album, which means that we can enter our own photos and set the photo as a wallpaper. So all you have to do is to tap on the specific wallpaper and it will appear on the full screen. So if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply to. Now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen or both, and I will choose both options, so let me tap on it. Here we can check the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. Right here in the home screen we can also set the colors. Let's tap on it. And basically you can choose, for example, the gradient option or solid colors if you prefer, so you do not have to apply any photo. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply in the right upper corner. Now let's wait. And as you can see, we can apply the wallpaper colors to the system, so let me quickly show it to you. Here we've got featured colors, which are let's say pre-installed, and after tapping on wallpaper colors we can choose the colors which are, let's say, taken from the wallpaper. You can check the preview of them right here, so you can decide whether you like them or not, or you can custom it, so just tap on it, tap on got it, and here we can just move the dots and thanks to it decide what kind of color we want to apply. So that's quite nice, and confirm it with OK and it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.